AI is coming for your job. Not in 10 years. Not in 5 years. Right now. It's already happening. Millions are losing their income. Customer service gone. Writers laid off. Even coders. AI is doing their work faster, cheaper and better. Hell, even my own translation agency is getting hit by AI now. But here's the truth. AI won't replace you unless you let it. Most people have no idea what's coming. They're sitting around thinking their job is safe. It's not. Amazon is cutting thousands of workers. IBM just replaced 7,800 jobs with AI. Writers at major news outlets you can already forget. Fired. Because AI writes faster and costs almost nothing. It's the same pattern every time. If AI can do it better, faster and cheaper, humans get cut. And yet people still believe in the old lie. Go to college, get a degree, find a safe job, and then retire when you're 16, 17 and can't move anymore. Is that the dream? Was that ever the dream? No, it wasn't. Absolute BS, and always was. With these high taxes, not even getting a degree is worth anything. But actually, you have to think differently about it nowadays because of AI, and you will find out soon. Because having a degree as a whatever, I don't know what even degrees out there, but if you, for example, are a master at repairing cars or dealing with people like service, this is actually very valuable nowadays. But anyway, there are no safe jobs. Only people who adapt and people who get left behind. If you're in customer support, here we go to the jobs I talked about where degrees are helpful. Writing, data entry, or even basic programming, you need to wake up. AI chatbots are handling full conversations now. Not perfectly, not flawlessly, but let's say, for example, you have like 30 questions and then they just go through a database to their frequently asked questions and pick something out of that. And that helps most people, 90%. For the other 10%, where you get 1 or 2 sales, customer support people, that will be enough. But the other 90% gone. Copywriters are being replaced by AI-generated content. Copilot and ChatGPT can write full code, which is crazy. Even graphic designers and video editors are losing work to AI tools that can create professional images and edit videos in seconds. By the way, that doesn't mean completely lose it. However, you get paid a lot less so that it is almost not worth it anymore. This is not the drill, guys. If your job involves predictable, repetitive tasks, it's just a matter of time before AI takes over. But not every job is doomed. Some jobs will always need humans. AI can't fix your plumbing. For example, it can't replace therapists or nurses. By the way, actually, I must say that me talking with ChatGPT is better than with any therapist. You guys should try that. It can't negotiate, close deals, or lead a team. You need a human being for that. Maybe not actually, no. But needs some creativity and a human being, which helps better because humans need trust to buy. But also exceptions here. If your job requires critical thinking, human interaction, or physical labor, you're in a much safer spot. And if you're smart, you won't just try to survive, you figure out how to make AI work for you. Most people fear AI. Smart people use it to make more money. Use AI to automate boring tasks, free up time to scale your income. Let AI handle research, emails, outreach, scheduling, say more, a lot more things which also waste your time. And the more you automate, the more you can focus on things AI cannot do. And if you really want to stay ahead, build something AI proof. For example, which is what I am doing now also. You know, we always begin somewhere, guys. So I start a YouTube channel. This one here. You can sell digital courses or build a brand around teaching real skills, and you can leverage AI to produce these things faster and better. Regardless, people still trust humans over AI when it comes to learning and buying decisions. AI can help you produce content faster, but it's still humans who connect with an audience. Build income streams with it, guys. Sell AI-generated templates, ebooks, or digital products. Start an AI-powered agency, because right now most people's businesses don't even know how to use AI properly. There's a time until these dinosaurs will catch up. Often it's government who still don't know much about AI. You go to them, you say, hey, this job costs like 3,000, and they're used to it because the dinosaurs, and you do it for 100 and you make profit of 2,900. That still works, but in the future it won't really work anymore. But right now you can do this to make good money. They need someone to show them how AI works, and AI is not going away. It's not slowing down. If you ignore it, you lose. If you adapt, you win. And guys, seriously, this is not a time to be comfortable anymore. People are drunk on comfort. That's why they're losing. Imagine you're a dinosaur in some government job doing paperwork. You're so replaced. You're so replaced. Soon they're gonna do this via email. You don't need so many people anymore. It's amazing also how many people are not aware. Wasn't COVID enough to show most people that your job is not safe? Your future is not safe. It is just not. The technology is advancing so fast, people are not going with it. They're distracted with TikTok, other social media, Netflix, TV, the latest designer fashion, looking good in the mirror and taking steroids, getting plastic surgery, wearing Gucci bags, driving the late sports car. People still obsessed with their instincts and will soon border on homeless if they don't adjust to the current times, Seriously, guys, nowadays it is survival of the fittest. We need to learn fast, you need to cut unnecessary expenses, and you need to stop wasting money. Find ways to make every asset you have work for you, and use AI to make it work for you better and faster. Rent out what you don't use. Invest in things that actually hold value. And if you're not already looking into Bitcoin, you should be. It's not a scam anymore. You can use Bitcoin to buy an Amazon gift cards and buy something from Amazon. Like that, Bitcoin has real world use. The financial system is collapsing, guys. Inflation is eating away your savings, and central banks are working on, looking at every transaction you make. Like, they know everything about you. And Bitcoin is one of the ways to protect yourself. Anyway, you have two choices right now. Adapt and get ahead, or sit back and watch everything get taken away from you. Which one are you choosing?